don't know if you guys can see this or not, but here's a little yellow bird, man, that I don't know if it's just an adolescent or what. It doesn't seem to be hurt because it's pecking away at some food right there. Dogs ran right by it because it didn't. It's fucking amazing. Just let me get right up on it. Pretty little thing. Wow. I hope you're not hurt, buddy. Might have a hurt wing or something. We're going to go ahead and leave it alone here in a second. You can see it looking back at me every now and again. I think he knows he's not in no harm. And let's go ahead and leave him alone. Sweet, man.